Hello, YouTube. Russian scientists have found an unexpected solution for people with gluten intolerance. Bread made from mogar, a grain that has previously considered exclusively for a fodder crop. The new recipe may change the approach to dietary nutrition and pave the way for the redomestication of a long-forgotten plant. The laboratory of Yaroslav the Wise, Novgorod State University, has developed a recipe for gluten-free bread based on mogar. This gluten-free grain has never been used in the food industry before, according to Russian scientists. Meanwhile, according to the developer of the recipe, Angelina Surmanova, in the city of Veliki Novgorod alone, more than 2,000 people suffer from celiac disease and up to 22,000 more are sensitive to gluten. For them, ordinary bread is a forbidden product. Mogar has a high protein content of 14.7 grams per 100 grams, which is higher than the usual gluten-free grains such as rice or oats. At the same time, it has extremely low fat levels and moderate levels of carbohydrates and calories. However, the crop, it has one catch. The seeds are covered with a hard shell, which requires special pre-treatment steps for food use. Provided for in the new formulation, our goal was to create bread that is safe for people with celiac disease. Mogar turned out to be not only suitable but even surpasses many popular grains in terms of composition. Angelina Surminova, she's the author of the development, that's what she said. Interestingly, despite the traditional cultivation of mogar, and I will get to a more detailed description later, in the southern regions of Russia, the studies show that it perfectly takes root in the conditions of the Novgorod region. This makes it possible to produce locally not only bread, but also raw materials themselves. The first commercial enterprises interested in growing mogar as a food crop have already appeared. In addition to baking, mogar's potential extends further. The plant contains sugar, vitamins, complete proteins, and can even be used in the production of alcohol, starch, and yeast. Its green mass is absorbed by animals better than wheat or barley. The demand for seeds is growing, and now it seems that mogar has a chance to fully return to the human diet. So what is this Russian word mogar? Well, it refers to what is known outside the Russian borders as foxtail millet, scientific name Setaria italica, synonym Panicum italicum. It's an annual grass grown for human food. It is the second most widely planted species of millet and the most grown millet species in Asia. The oldest evidence of foxtail millet cultivation was found along the ancient course of the Yellow River in Sishan, China, carbon dated to be from around 8,000 years before present. Foxtail millet has also been grown in India since antiquity. Other names for the species include dwarf setaria, foxtail bristlegrass, giant setaria, green foxtail, Italian millet, German millet, and Hungarian millet. Foxtail millet is an annual grass with slim vertical leafy stems which can reach a height of 120 to 200 centimeters. The seed head is a dense, hairy panicle 5 to 30 centimeters long. The smallest seeds, around 2 millimeters in diameter, are encased in a thin papery hull which is easily removed in threshing. Seed color varies greatly between varieties. So, in my opinion, mogar, that the Russians refer to, is a variety of this, and until we know for sure, I don't want to use foxtail millet as definite reference to mogar. But I will keep my ears open, so to say, to more news about this interesting development, because it, ultimately it will help other people around the world, and I will keep you informed. You can find more about unique Russian foods and cuisine and dishes, and also Belarusian, Ukrainian, and I believe some from the areas of Caucasus. You can find it in my channel when you do the search, and I will bring you, like I said, more news about it. So please stay tuned, and if you like my research, can support, you find the links in description to this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos. Please make sure you're notified when new videos come. Thank you.